In this video, let's learn how to add follow button on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 step. If you also want to add in the follow button on your Facebook profile, then let me show you the quick process. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right into it without any further ado. Open up your app of Facebook and open up your profile section on your Facebook. Once you land on your profile section, you'll see these options which says add story and edit profile. And beside of these options, you'll see a 3-dot line. You just need to tap on this option. And inside of this, which is profile settings, you'll see an option of turn on professional mode. Professional mode is a mode which lets you monetize your Facebook. So whenever you turn this option on, you can easily get the follow button on your Facebook. So just tap on turn on. After that has been turned on, you can head back, and if you tap on the 3 dots again and tap on view as, this is what other people see when they view your profile. And as you can see, the follow button now has appeared on the profile. So all you need to do is turn on professional mode on Facebook to be able to add in the follow button on your Facebook. So that's all it takes. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.